Well, hello my friends, welcome back to the bench. Today's a bit of an update video and a couple of more experiments here with the Ultrasonic hand boost cutter. And the first thing I want to talk about is the sound. I don't hear a sound, but going back in the video and the comments, microphone here on the camera picks it up. And it's happened once before, about 2 years ago, maybe a year and a half. I reviewed an ultrasonic cleaner that I put my parts in, and I cleaned airbrush parts and whatnot, and that had a sound that I had to edit out of the video, and I realized that is probably what's happening here. The camera picks up the ultrasonic sound and amplifies it, even though to the human ear, I can barely hear this thing. And it's only on notch 3. I'm going to go ahead and put it on anyway. Let's set this warm up for a second. And you can see the flickering. The camera also has trouble with lights overhead. And that has to do with the refresh rate. So the camera does play tricks. I don't have Hollywood-type cameras here. And that, in effect, changes the way things get filmed. Now, let's go ahead and put it on notch 3. There's the notch 3. I don't know if it's making the sound. I'm going to keep this further away from the microphone. But I hear nothing right now. I'm hoping you guys hear nothing. I already donated the other one that I didn't like. I didn't like it because it was uncomfortable for my hand, that's all. But what I did was change the blade. All right, so I changed the blade, meaning this is my collaboration with Robot Kai. We put trying to get like a kind of a set of tools together, and what we did was we took the brand new nippers that just came out, and I showed you those. And here is my, well, part of the set is this knife. Oh, hold on, guys. Again, trying to get these things out of this package. And here's my knife. And it comes with these carbide steel blades. Now, this set is $39.99 for both. And the nippers is just over $30. So the combination takes a few bucks off if you buy them both together in the box. But anyway, my knife hair set comes with, there's the knife. It comes with these high carbide blades, and they're kind of the same shape as the one that comes with the hand boost. So I figured, let's go ahead, let that warm up. Now can you hear the sound? Because it's making a little bit of a sound now once it warms up. And I went and put this in. I put the blade in. And that's the blade that comes with my, there we go. See, now there's the sound. I can hear a little bit of a whine. I know the camera's probably picking that up. I'm going to show you my blade. There it is, and it fit perfect. So let's see if that works. If we can use the blades, these new blades that just came out. Well, these are something else. I'll show you that in a second. So let's go ahead and turn this back on. I think it defaults to 2, but we're going to go ahead to 1. There we go. And I figured if I can zoom in, maybe it'll be farther enough away from the microphone. Oops, you know, you're going to get into my right position here. Yeah, yeah, I can hear it working. It's vibrating. Yep, and it's working fine. So it works with the blades. If it can fit in it, I imagine it will work. And did a good job there. So I'm going to show you something else. Let's turn this off because it's got to cool off before I remove that. I'm going to pan this camera back out. Here's a second test we're going to try. It's Fix Unicorn over here. And that is ceramic blades. Now these just came in at Robot Kai. And these are ceramic blades. Let me show you one right here. This stuff goes flying. There we go. So I'm going to see if it works with this ceramic blade. See that? Really nice, fine ceramic blades. I do like these. And I'm going to see if that works in here also. Now the blades that came with mine is a 20-pack and the knife. I know a lot of guys have asked me about this set because it just came in. And the nippers all come in the one box. The nippers are comfortable. We studied a couple of them. They sent a bunch my way, and I like this one the best. But of course, it was on the higher end of nippers. But it's very, very fine blade, and it does a great job. And for the $30 price range, these are very good. And I thought the spring was a little weak in the original one, but I like the spring on this one, and it comes with a carry case. But let me show you the blades. Now these blades comes with 20 of them, but you can buy a pack of like 30 of them. I believe it's like 30 for $2.50. That's on Robot Kai's site also. So for $2, $2.50, you get another big batch of these things, like 30 of them. And much more money for the ceramics. These are $4.99 for 5. This is probably like $1 a blade. But it's only $2.50 for like 30 of these babies. But it does come with 20, which should last you quite a while. And there's our logo right there. So let's go ahead and see if a ceramic blade works on this. And the other thing we're going to test is going to cut a car door and see if this is enough to cut this car door. This is a I call it a 240SX in America. It's a Skyline, I believe, in Japan. Is that what this was? This was a Sylvia. And I had this car here in America, believe it or not. So it's going to custom, like, we had pop-up headlights in America. And I ordered the body, and so I can, they actually sold the body separate at Tamiya. So, there it is, 240. So anyway, it comes in the mail and it's split in half. The damn thing is cracked in half. That's how it showed up. And the guy just told me to throw it away and keep it. And he sent me a brand new one, which I have in the back here. So this has been sitting here for a while. So you know what? We'll go ahead and see if we can cut that door. Well, let's go ahead and see if a ceramic blade will work on this. I want to get it in the right spot. Oh, well, it fits. Now we don't know if the heat is going to transfer to this. So let's find out in a moment. All right, there we go. That's in there. Good. Turn it back on. Right. I don't know if it's going to warm up. It might have to warm up. Let's go ahead and get this blade out of the way. This is the one that came with my knife. That's pretty much the same shape, except it's carbide. I don't know what came. Looks like the ones that comes with the hand boost is steel. Just steel. Yeah. So here we go. Let's see. As this warms up, I'll show you my knife. There you go, your basic knife. Nice fine detail. I do like trimming my parts once I get them off the runner. And I'm up towards the thumb, guys. Some guys go away. But that's just how it goes. Mm-hmm. Here we go. It's not making any whirring sound. I can't hear any anyway. Let's see if this ceramic blade works on the hand boost ultrasonic cutter. Oh, it does. It works. Right through. Check that out. Right through. So yeah, it does no problem whatsoever. So it works with a ceramic blade also. I don't know what the benefit is there. Boy, I can hear that thing vibrating. Can you guys hear it vibrating? There's that noise I hear. Not the noise that the unit makes when it's turned on. But it cuts right through. And this is on level 2. So it probably works on level 1 also. I imagine it'll come towards us here. And I bet you we can trim and clean these things up too. I don't see where the nub went. It cut it right off. Yep, it trims right off. Look at this. I can shave it. Wow. Really nice. I do like this tool quite a bit. So, that works. So I think we're going to go ahead and get this out and see if I can cut a door off of a 1/24th scale car kit. I don't know which one I'm going to use. I don't know if I'm going to use this ceramic one. I don't know if it's going to melt and leave a mark. Now, I can cut this car up because it's just... Oh, man, can you hear that? Yeah, it doesn't... It's making a noise, but it's not... Oh, never mind, it went right through. All right, sorry, guys, it went right through. Right through. Yeah, so the ceramic will work. I thought it would melt on it, but it's working pretty good. Let's get everything out of camera shot here. Make a convertible out of it. Now I took the post off. Now see this mark up here? Let's see if we can trim that. It's not comfortable for me. Let me see if I can turn it away from me. All right, let's see. Oh, that noise I hear. Oh yeah, it trims really good. That sounds like a dentist work on the tooth. Oh, that's not a good sound. But yeah, it's only making that sound when I'm touching the unit. It's not making that vibrating or whatever, that high-pitched ultrasound. I think you... Oh my gosh, yeah. It looks like if we go in stages. Can you guys see this? I'm going to keep it here because I need to keep it stable on the table. So I think it will get the job done, but it looks like it takes... Oh, never mind. I'm going right through now. Yeah, it cut right through. Yep. And I think once you get good at it and pick the right speed, you can get it done. I mean, you're going to need a little sanding afterwards, but you know what? To sit there and do it with this instead of the little hobby saw, it's pretty good. So yeah, it does work. And I'm using this ceramic blade from Robot Kai. So if it's working with this, I imagine it'll work with its own. Let's try it. It's a little awkward here, guys, because I'm trying to work behind the camera, and I don't want to keep it close to the camera if it's picking up that annoying sound, but it looks like once it warms up, can you see it? I'm cutting right through. Get back to the blade here. I pushed too far through. Right off. So it does work. It cuts a car body. Here we go. Or you can just step on it like that. So there you go. Anybody? Let me turn this off. There we go. I know some of you guys asked me would it cut trunks and hoods and whatnot. And there you go. A little bit of trimming up and sanding it. I guess you can use the unit for that too. But you know what? I got something done pretty damn quick using this. And look at that. I am impressed. It's a great tool to have. And another good news, it's $139.99 now on Amazon. It doesn't have Prime shipping, so it takes an extra week or two. But at $139, an absolute must-have for the bench if you guys are serious model builders. It stood clean. There it is. Look at that. And go to Robot Kai, get my tool set, or at least get these ceramic blades. They seem to work awesome. And yeah, and it worked also with my other blades. And those are only $250 for 30 of them. Look at that. Put that right there. So yeah, I'll put the new link up for this at $139.99. It does cut a car door. It does not make that whiny sound. I don't hear it. The microphone picks it up. I heard the vibrating, but that's on occasionally I can hear it vibrating on the plastic. And that's because, this is vibrating at 40 hertz. So it's going to make some kind of sound. But overall, I don't hear anything, and it only occasionally seems to make that vibration sound. I'm guessing it's how you hold the part that you're cutting. So, yeah, there you go. All right, guys. I like this tool. It does even more than I thought it would. And if you look for different blades, it looks like other blades will fit in it. And if you got to cut maybe deeper, I found these in that other unit I had, so I'm going to look for more extras of these. I kept these before I gave that unit to my buddy, and it looks like that will cut through even better, but didn't really matter as this was big enough to cut through this car anyway. But there you go. I'll put links for the new price on this. It's at Amazon, and I'll put a link for my nipper set and blade set, and that is also on Robot Kai along with the blades, ceramic, and extra blades that will fit this in my set. So there you go, guys. that is the video. Just a little bit of a quick update. Don't let the noise fool you. You're really not going to hear it at all. I mean, I have people writing to me, I don't hear that at all, and they own the thing. And I actually don't hear it, but I knew it made a sound briefly. But the microphone on this camera seemed to picked it up just like that. And I knew it when I remembered back on the Ultrasonic cleaner that I did the review of, and it picked that up, and that had to be edited out. It was just amplified by 1,000. So there you go, guys. And don't forget my niece's book, Lucy's Curls for Girls 3 to 7, is on Amazon also. I'll put a link up for that. So we'll see you soon in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave a thumb up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell, as we aim to do at least one video a week. All right, guys? It's been a crazy busy week here for me as I work for delivery in retail. So you imagine what that's like. But I still find time for you guys. And I will be back with another video very soon. I got my candy colors are done. Another collab with Kaizo and Robot Kai. These are candy colors. Beautiful. 2 shades of blue, 2 shades of green, 2 shades of red. Really awesome, beautiful candy colors. You guys are going to love them. And that test is coming soon, as it's on its way here now. So anyway, guys, have a wonderful rest of your day. We will see you soon. You guys are awesome. God bless you all. Have a great day.